You want to say hi, Maddie? Hi, Maddie. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Today I've got a surprise for Lincoln, and we're going to share it with you. Are you ready? Hey, Lincoln. I got you a surprise. I hid it so secretly. Take off the towel, man.
What? Look at this thing. I've never seen this before.
Oh, it's the new Hot Wheels Let's Race. Oh, there's something on Netflix? Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. The Action Loop Cyclone Challenge. And some mystery cars. Okay, so first, why don't we open up and put together the track?
This thing?
That would be the track, yes. Okay, you can open if you want. Oh, it's got a car.
Yeah.
Wow.
It has, I think it has two.
Well, let's take a look.
Thanks, Maddie.
$2,000 later.
Abracadabra, kazam!
Whoa. That's actually quite a few pieces. Okay. Here's what it's going to look like.
But all of this.
But all of this.
Yeah, this thing right
Yeah. Okay, we got to put it together.
Okay.
Got it all sorted. Let's see. Put together some of these pieces.
Yep.
Okay, we need to start with these orange ones. Let's see how they're labeled here. So, okay, they're labeled really nice. This should be easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to go there so that this piece goes here and that piece goes there. Okay, click it in. Good job. Alright, next up, we need the green parts to make the loop-de-loop, I think. Okay, so match up some numbers. This one has a 3, and this one has a 3, so those two go together. There you go. Okay, so now what's the other end say?
Then that contraption.
Oh, it's got a hinge. This one's a 2. You have a 2 somewhere else? Right here. Match it up with the 2, Lincoln.
Right?
Yep, easy peasy. Okay, let's keep going. 2. Click those together. Ooh, there's trouble. Hi, trouble. Yeah. This goes together pretty easy when you figure it out. The hardest part is figuring out where the legs connect. But it's really not that difficult. You got it to click?
Why won't you not click?
Okay, now you need to find S3 and S3.
That's free and that's free.
Yep. Here's an S3, and there's an S3 on yours right here, Lincoln. Match up S3 on that blue one. Ooh, yep, Maddie's helping. Maddie. That's not where that goes.
Silly baby.
You want more Snuggie? Do you know there's little jokes on the bottom of this? Let's see. Says, Lincoln, why do tongues love water?
Why?
It's a liquid. Okay, put on the loop. You gotta put it on straight there, man. There you go.
I wonder where this piece goes.
Well, let's find out. It's looking good so far.
This one has ribbon.
What, it had a V on it maybe? Okay, let's check it out. No hit. Maddie. Okay, and now that launcher goes right here, buddy. The green part over there.
This?
Yep, that goes here. See these? Nope. I think it goes like this. And it has like points right here. Yep, and then that blue piece goes right here. Okay, we put it together. It didn't take too long, did it, Lincoln?
No.
Okay, let's open up our mystery cars. Okay, we got 4 mystery cars that go with our new item, right?
Yeah.
So you already have this one that came with it,
Yeah.
which is pretty nice. Okay, so we got that one. Yep, go ahead and open them. Let's see what it is. Ah!
It is a race car.
Ooh, that should look really good, huh?
It's kind of small.
Okay, go ahead and do the second one. Madison,
And this one.
let's see it.
Oh, it has a sticker. There's a sticker, Mom.
Oh, they all come with stickers? Cool. Okay, let's see your last one. Oh, you got 2 of those. Well, we'll have to see which one is the best one. Let's line them up then. See. Okay, so this one came with the pack.
Yeah.
That we got a yellow racer and a yellow racer, and then this gray guy, and then this clear orange one.
So there's 3 yellow racers.
There are 3 different yellow racers. Well, 2 of them are different.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we have a competition?
Yeah.
See who can get the most points?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's start with the one that came with, right?
Yeah.
Okay, load them up.
I wonder if you put that thing up, then it's a small one, and then it goes back this way.
That'd be interesting to see. Let's test. Let's do our race first. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go. Whoa.
You went fast.
That was cool. Okay, so the first Hot Wheels racer got 25 points. And leave them right here.
Yeah.
Okay, who are we gonna try next?
Should we try?
Let's try that guy. Okay, ready? Second racer, we're gonna try one of our yellow dudes. Okay?
Yeah, I want to try this guy.
Okay, put him in there. Ready?
Mhm.
Go. Ooh!
He went even farther.
Yeah, yellow guy got 100 points. Okay, we'll have to just know that because Maddie took him. No cheating, Madison. You big cheater. He got 100 points. He's in the lead right now. First place. You want to try the twin and see if he does just as good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's find out. Ready? Go. Whoa! Unfortunately, though, this one's only 50 points for some reason.
Why?
I don't know. It goes 25, 100, and then 50.
Shall we try this green guy?
So technically, the first one has more points, but the second one went further.
Yeah.
Okay, who's next? Gray Racer?
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't know. He's not as heavy, so we'll have to see what he does.
Yeah. Might just kaboom right at the loop. It will.
He might just kaboom it. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, 100 points! He did good though. I'm surprised. Well, I guess maybe this one isn't that heavy. It's more aerodynamic. Okay, last racer.
Yeah.
Orange racer. Is he queued up?
Yep.
All right. Ooh, Maddie. No. Uh-oh. He barely made it, but he made it. He got 25 points. Okay, so we need a race between yellow racer and the gray one. Maddie, do you have the gray car?
No.
Yeah, can you give it back?
She doesn't have the gray car.
Where is it? Ooh, I have a gray car. Okay. Hey, before we do finals, let's see what happens if we flip this like this instead of having him jump. Okay? Yeah. Let's send that one and we'll see what happens. Oh, sweet. You could just like keep going.
Yeah.
All right. Do it again. Oh, that's super cool. Okay, let's flip it back. What? Do two of them? That did not work. Okay, let's flip it back and do our finals. We have to do a face-off. This is the final race. Are we going to do who gets the most points, or are we going to do who gets the furthest on our final?
Who gets the furthest?
First is Gray Racer.
What if he gets all the way here and then this guy, and he gets like right there?
Well, then the gray one would win.
Yeah.
Let's see. Load him up. That's backwards. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go. Oh, we got the middle and somehow flipped around.
Oh, that was cool.
That was cool.
I'll instant replay.
Instant replay.
He was basically forward and then hit this and then went backwards into here.
Wow. Okay, so he got the middle.
So I'll
Pull him right here.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what yellow guy has to do. Yellow Racer. Okay, load him up.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Whoa. Oh, I don't know, man. Look, Gray Racer did not get hung up like that.
I think he gets more.
Gray is the winner?
Yeah.
Your ultimate loop champion is Gray Hot Wheels car.
That was funny.
This is fun, isn't it? This is a good...
This guy went like, and then hit this whoop-de-whoop and then...
And this is cooling it because it like folds up. So when you want to put it away, you can just kind of like fold it the way you should. This piece isn't on over there, but... And it all folds up and it'll go away a lot smaller. So it's not taking up all this space.
Yeah.
What do you think? This is a cool surprise?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Okay, let's say bye to the kids and then play with our stuff.
Bye, kids!
Bye!